I know that this is primarily a skate shoe, but I've been bastardizing skate shoes for my own styling purposes since I was 12 years old. So, not going to stop now.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
All right, hey there, fashion friends. Welcome to today's episode, and thank you for tuning in. On today's episode, we are going to be reviewing the Cariuma OCA High sneaker.
Y'all not expecting this one, I promise. But look though, enough of the talking, man. Let's get to the music.
Although I mainly speak to the styling aspect of clothing and I primarily speak to women's fashion, I also speak to function a lot on this channel. Function is very important to me. So a big function for these shoes is skateboarding. So I'm definitely going to still include that skating function, that skating aspect in my review. I got you all covered, okay? And although I don't have the current skateboarding experience, it's not for lack of trying. I will say when I was younger, I was definitely a skater chick, or not a skater chick, because I got as far as like the ollie. I could do an ollie, like a little baby ollie. And then I even nearly ripped my arm off dropping in on a 10-foot half pipe. Yeah. Now, why on God's green earth I decided that that would be a good idea when I could barely even do an ollie, I'll never know. Actually I do know. It was the 10 plus skater boys standing around. Yeah. So hopefully I still have you guys here with me. Okay, after all that, let's get started. First off, I want to talk about the brand. This brand comes out of Rio, Brazil, and was founded by two like-minded board-loving guys who basically just wanted a cool shoe that was produced in a sustainable way. I think they basically realized that, yeah, this could be done in a better way. What I think is super cool is that 43% of their product is 100% vegan. I do want to mention that this video is not sponsored and these were not actually gifted to me. These were my very own purchase. So with that, the sneaker that I've purchased and that we will be looking at today is the OCA High sneaker. So I got these in color black contrast stripe, and these retail for $98. For every pair of sneakers that is purchased, they plant a pair of trees in the Brazilian rainforest. All right, so we are going to be doing my normal fit, fabric, and function. I am going to start off with fabric today. I feel like with shoes, it's the best way to start off with. The insole is 100% vegan, made out of organic mamona oil and cork. The upper and the lining is made out of cotton canvas. The sole, the outer sole, is made out of 100% slip resistant rubber. That is one thing I will say that I really noticed about this shoe that I think is a really big plus for you skaters out there, is that the rubber is just very substantial, strong rubber and has just such nice grippiness. You're gonna have that really nice flat connection with the board, but have some amazing grip as well. So my impressions of the fabric and the construction of this shoe is the best that I can describe it is just solid. So speaking to the cotton canvas upper, I've spoke about this so many times just with my clothes about how much I love the way that cotton wears over time. And so when it comes to shoes, to well-made shoes made out of cotton, I love how they wear it. They just break into your foot and just over time, they just look better and better and better and more customized to your foot. Creates this own identity with the shoe, with you and your shoe. I don't know, that kind of might sound corny, but the strong stitches make for such amazing durability, but as well as that are just beautiful. Just speaking more on the insole, I just love that they really not only paid attention to the materials, but as well as the structure of it in the way that it supports your foot as well, which we'll get into more in the fit. And then the little cherry on top, the little cap on top is, I really like the skinny toe cap. Yeah, big fan of that. I love a toe cap, but sometimes I don't like massive toe caps because I feel like it can get clowny quickly. These are a size women's 7, and I would say that these are true to size, but they're definitely not wide. So I would say if you have a wider foot, maybe go a half size up. So my impressions of the fit is that they're super comfortable. So speaking to the insole, they have the high arch support, and as well as that, the memory foam. So it just cradles your foot like a sand cradles a rock. The best analogy I could come up with at a snap. Probably not the best one, but you get what I'm saying. So they're very lightweight on the foot. The only thing I will say is that I am not a massive fan of where the ridge of the shoe hits me on my ankle, but that is more just preference in where it hits me specifically on the ankle. The thing I do love about the fit in the ankle is the padded ankle. I love that just for a everyday comfort purpose. But as well as that for a skating purpose, I think it's just a great way to protect that ankle. I'd say all around these are a very comfortable shoe for an everyday purpose. Yeah, it's a sneaker. It's a practical, comfortable sneaker that is serving the purpose of supporting your foot in a comfortable yet casual, stylish way. So my impressions, for practicality, it is comfortable. I'm not sure if I've mentioned that yet. They're comfortable. And then on top of that, they're super easy to get on. So in a practical aspect, if you have a shoe that is comfortable and easy to get on, it's gonna be an easy, effortless go-to. For a styling function, what I love about these is that they're a classic, timeless sort of silhouette, but they just have done a little bit of a fresh, modern edge sort of take on it. So it's just super timeless and super effortless to style with your wardrobe. And what I love about it is because it has got that very understated classic bit of edge, it can elevate any sort of looks because they're so casual and sort of youthful. I love the idea of pairing these with a pair of more sophisticated pants or trousers and just having that really cool contrast. That to me is just an easy way to elevate a look. But as well as that, I think they just are cool and effortless with a pair of jeans, or like a pair of cuffed jeans. And I also think that these are the right type of sneaker to pair with shorts as well. So I just love that diversity aspect, that these are just an easy sneaker where they could be like the only sneaker in your closet and you could just wear them with everything. Now, speaking to the skating function, why I think this is such a good skate shoe is the flat outer sole, the flat bottom sole, so that you can obviously have that nice connection with your board. And like I mentioned before, with the slip resistant rubber, I think that adds to the function of the shoe, not even just for skating purposes, just for everyday purposes as well. In conclusion, with this shoe, I'm really excited about it because what pulled me in is the sustainable approaches they are taking to the production of these shoes. But as well as that, it's just such a quality product. It's not a statement shoe, but it's still makes a statement in a very cool, effortless, steezy way.
Making big boy plays and I'm about to run the town. Making big boy plays, man, I'm about to shut it down. I bust a super dope move, everybody know me. When it come to getting money, man, you can't have slow feet. Gotta get it and go, plant a seed, let it grow. Making big boy plays.
All around, would I tell people that these shoes are worth the $98? The answer is yes, just for the all-around quality of that and how these will wear really well over time. So there we go. Well, comment below and let me know what you think of these sneakers. Hopefully that this was helpful for you, especially if you are somebody that is looking to purchase these shoes. Definitely comment below if there's any further questions. If you liked today's episode, give me that thumbs up. Comment below, share with your friends, and subscribe for future weekly episodes. You have a beautiful rest of your day, and we will definitely be chatting soon. Bye.
Boy plays, big boy plays. Making big boy plays, man, I'm about to shut it down.
Granted, I ran it, I'm flying, you landed. I managed to make it while lying in hammocks with diamonds, and man, it's so flashy with the chopper.